Hi guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. My name is Julia, I'm also known as Wickedlia. I'm a Twitch streamer, gamer, horse owner, and a lot more. I'm a chaotic mess of everything, and yeah. Today we will be going through my daytime activities in a form, kind of like vlog style form, and I'll be showing you guys what I do during my days with our 10 animals. But yeah. Let's go on to the video. And also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitch, you can find it from twitch.tv/wickedlia. I stream on every Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. On Sundays I do full Finnish streams. But yeah, without further ado, let's go! So yay! We are ready to go outside. As you can see, I am wearing really thick winter clothes because it's quite chilly today. We can actually go check how cold it is. During the morning it was like -18. Our house is not really clean at the moment, don't worry about that. Okay. You can kind of see it's like minus... Well, it's not that cold actually. It's like -13 maybe or so. Yay, but we are ready to go. I'm gonna take my dog Minnie. Mr. Minnie. Minnie is hiding. Oh, there she is. Perfect. We have Minnie. Yay. We take Minnie's lunch. And there we go. I'm gonna show you something funny. She always... Oh, no, she's not doing it. Usually, like, she spins. Like, she spins a lot when she's trying to eat. Like, not when she's trying to eat, but before she's getting food, she's like spinning. Ruoka. Minnie, missä ruoka? Ruoka? Here we go. But she spins a lot more than that, but yeah. Minnie. Well. No, she's eating. Yay. And then we just wait for Minnie to eat. And take our other dog, Peppi. I can actually take her currently. Let's go. Peppi lives here. She's ready to go outdoors. Here we go. Peppi, ei saa syödä miniruokia. Ei syödä. Yeah, eating time is really important, so cannot bother them while they eat. But yeah. I will come back to you guys when I have prepared the dogs. Okay, now we are outdoors with the dogs. We usually walk like a short daytime walk, and they like to sniff all random crap there is here. It's kind of annoying, but at least the scenery is kind of nice. Yeah, we are just going towards our shed with the dogs, but yeah. And this is what I do with these buddies during the day. They go for walks like 3 times a day. I take them during morning and daytime. And then during the evening I take Minnie only, and my mom takes Peppi. Yay! But yeah, they don't walk very nicely though, like, they just don't walk normally. Our bigger outdoor dog Ariel, who I'm gonna show in a bit, walks a lot nicer than these guys, but these guys are really annoying and they get tangled up all the time. Like, my leg was just there randomly. But yeah, that's the dog portion. So yeah, after we take the dogs back in, it's time to give water for our Ariel, who is our outdoor doggo. She's a sweetie. She's very active though. Let's see if we can pour water, because it gets frozen really easily. So I need to bring her hot water during the day. But she's overly enthusiastic. Way too happy dog. Okay. We have the water. Then we have the dog. And we pour the water, and let's hope the dog will not do anything sketchy. She's overly happy always. She jumps very much. I should somehow try to get out of here. She often tries to escape, so we shall see if we manage to do this correctly. Yay! We get out of here. Ariel. She's a really good girl. Ooh. So yeah, after this I usually take the cats out. Cats do not like to be outdoors during the days, because, well, during the winter at least. During the summer they do like to be outside and outdoors a lot. But yeah, during the winter they hate. They absolutely hate this. So yeah. Oh, there's our ponies on the background. You can see them. Yay! I'm gonna introduce them in a bit. But next we force the cats to go out because it's time for them to go get some fresh air. Oh my god, they're all like holed up in here. Oh my gosh. But hey, this is Perra, Karvinen, and Mäykky, also known as Kisu. Yay. But yeah, buddies, you need to go out. Let's go outdoors. Yay. Perra. Yeah. Good boys. There they go. Not really voluntarily, but they go regardless. And yeah, after that I just take a bucket and I'll be getting some hot water for the ponies from here. Cats have their own warm living quarters because my family is allergic to cats, like me and my mom are allergic to cats. Yeah, then we get water. Okie dokie, we are back outdoors. We have the hot water and we have ponies. I'm gonna get there's some hay for them, but I'm gonna get the other food from the garage in a bit. I can introduce you the ponies. The black one is called Pampula and the brown one is Apila. Api! They are harness racing ponies. They are retired from those tasks currently though. I'm not really sure about Apila, he could still compete, but we shall see what we're gonna do with him later on. And they always like to fight because food is coming and they know that. But let's go to the garage. Yay! Now when the ponies are eating, they get water and food. Let's move on to the next one. I need to kind of bring everything separately though, because I have only 2 hands. This is Fiona. She is not gonna stay here. She will be moving to a new home eventually. She's also a sweet, this year 3-year-old pony. I can't really show her because there's so much snow, and here we go. Now you can see her. She's a Welsh pony, the other ones are Shetland ponies, so she's a bit bigger pony, but she also wants her food, so yay. There we go. There we go, some eating footage. She does have lots of hay here, so I don't think I really need to give her any, because she could just eat the eat the previous ones. Let's give our horse some food too. Horse food. Our horsey is here. He's American warm blood, so I think that's the term in English, I'm not quite sure. But yeah, he's a big horsey. We had a horse stream where we went driving with horsey. So yeah, maybe some of you guys already know all the animals, but yeah. He doesn't really have a name, we call him Heppa, which means like a horse in Finnish, or like a nickname for a horse in Finnish. But he is gonna eat there. And then I'm gonna get the water. Heppa's water is low-key frozen. Okay, now it's not anymore. I'm gonna pour the rest of it here. Let's make eyes. But yeah. Oh, we got Mike. Mike. Some cat action. Cat live action. Fun fact about Mac is like his nose is usually really pale pink, but it gets redder, like more red, the more he's outdoors. Like if he gets cold, his nose will get super red. He's cute. Yeah, he's like, let me in. Garvin is also going in. Some stretchy. Yay. Let's go. They're so funny. And sweet. We're ready to go indoors. Okay. I'm gonna give them water and food. At least food, if I can't drink the water portion with one hand, but I always change their water at this time of the day. Peppy's just chilling here. Yeah. They only care about the food though, they don't give a shit about water. They don't give a shit about water. And Minnie is barking at the background. So yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed. The camera got a bit blurry at the end and I don't know why. But yeah, if you liked the video, feel free to like and subscribe or whatever it is, and feel free to comment also if you want to. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.